Is your transmission acting up? Hearing strange noises, slipping gears, or having trouble accelerating? Don't ignore these warning signs. Your transmission needs attention now. At Speedy's Transmission Shop, we're not just mechanics. We're transmission specialists with years of experience serving Richmond. We know transmissions inside and out, and we're here to get you back on the road quickly and safely. Bring your vehicle to us for a free diagnostic checkup. Whether you need a simple fix, a complete rebuild, or a replacement, we've got you covered. We can handle any transmission component with precision and expertise. Call Speedy's Transmission Shop today at 804-999-1845 or fill out our online form to schedule your free checkup. Don't let transmission troubles keep you off the road. Ignoring them only leads to bigger, more expensive problems. Act now and schedule your free checkup.